Alright, this morning we got two of the biggest packages I've ever seen come through the P.O. box. So first off, Sam sent this little ornament for the subscriber tree. It is a little stop sign guy, and he said don't stop doing what I'm doing. And then Vancouver Old School sent me a bunch of these stickers, which are actually pretty cool. Sent me some more of these Jasmine ones, which I think I actually opened a bunch of these off camera the other day. He sent me like a stack of these stickers, and then he just sent me like a bunch of other, there they go. A bunch of other cars that he can make, I guess. He got like BRZ, Miata ones, like some pretty cool stuff. So I'm gonna hang this guy on the tree with everything else. I'm putting a Jasmine sticker here just to be a part of it. Thank you to everybody that has sent out ornaments for the tree. If there's still some on the way, like I said, I will put them on the tree next year, but I love doing this with you guys. I feel like this year I didn't make as many videos in December as I did last year, so I feel like the tree was not like as big of a thing as it was last year, but it's really cool for me because no matter what you guys celebrate, no matter what you guys believe in, whatever, we do Christmas and we get to do it with you guys, whether you guys really feel that or not. You guys are right here on the tree, and I don't know. I think it's really cool, so thank you to everybody that sent stuff out for that. But now we have to open these big boy boxes, because I have never seen something this big come through the P.O. box. Whoa. Alright, so first big box, huge shout out to Ray, dude. This is so cool, like such a weird thing that I never would have thought of. He made this out of duct tape. Like that's such like a weird kind of hidden talent type thing. Look at this. This whole thing's made out of duct tape, and obviously there's some marker and stuff too, but he said he thinks this will be a really cool addition to the new shop, and I 100% agree. I would love to get some of your stuff going, just like up on the walls here, so Ray, thank you. That is the coolest thing I have seen. Yo, this is sick. So huge shout out to Darian. He has an Instagram page called Darian Customs. He wrote me this on a napkin. He literally made these shoes himself, and he's a little YouTube guy here, and then a little BRZ. He said he did this before the BRZ wrap reveal, so these are like themed after the old BRZ style. Dude, this is sick. I feel like we should have thrown these under the tree and just, obviously we can't. Thank you, dude. That was cool. I've never had a like Christmas present from a subscriber. That was tight. Anyways, before we get started with today's video, I just wanted to say thank you to the sponsor of today's video, which is the Ridge wallet. You guys know I love these guys, and you guys know the Ridge does more than just wallets. So these wallets, they help simplify everything. I've been over this with you guys 100,000 times. I love these things because I literally just got Brad onto one of these, and he had to cut out so many cards that he didn't need and he didn't use in his life. And it's just like one of those first easy little steps into kind of like cleaning up your entire life. It's a little bit late to get one as a Christmas gift right now, but you guys can still use the code Robbie10 and save yourself 10%, or check out the link down below. Now I feel bad for you because we got the warehouse and you've never really been here. No. We got the warehouse and Courtney's car was broken. The GF8 was broken. And she never came here. I didn't realize how much she didn't come here until today when we got here. Like Courtney comes in, she's like, oh, I'm blurry. That's not what she said. She comes in and she's like, oh, I like the lights. And I'm like, oh, well, I guess that was pretty recent. And then she's like, I like how you built the toolbox into the corner, or like the bench, the workbench. I like how you built that into the corner. Like you used a little piece of wood from over here. And I was like, you really haven't been here like at all in a long time. And it's because her car's always been down. So every day she gets off work and she's just been walking home or getting a ride home from someone. While I'm here working, so she never actually gets the chance to come here. And that kind of makes me really sad that she didn't even get to keep up with any of the progress that we've been doing in here until right now. Like Courtney hasn't even seen it since the accident happened, because we've just had, like, we've been super busy too, just like you guys. It's Christmas for us also, and everybody's busy and everything's going absolutely nuts, but it sucks, eh? It really does suck. Oh my God, the foamies are falling. We used 3 different kinds of tape on there, and apparently the clear kind doesn't work. I was trying to explain to you that the pillar is pushed in. If you go like this, see how the window goes in underneath? Oh. That's because the whole door is sitting like this, because the pillar is pushed in. Oh. So it's unfortunate. Check this out. You never got to see it, and it's probably going to be in one of my cars next. So, first of all, you got nice lights. Like them? Yeah. Well, that's all you're going to get to see. Second of all, uh-oh, we got music going. Wow, this is so cool. Right? I mean, your new one's nicer, but yeah, this is still pretty cool. This would have been so cool. Anyways, I'm Sorry, you never got to play with it. Okay, so we haven't taken this thing into the insurance lot yet. I'm still waiting for them to book a time for me to take it in to look at it, given the nature that it's right-hand drive and BC insurance is terrible. I know it's gonna get written off, and a lot of you guys want me to keep it and fix it, but something that you don't understand is that for 3 weeks, Courtney didn't have a car, which affected me, and she can't do anything she needs to get done, so I've been running around trying to help her drive her places, do things. Like, it's a nightmare, really. Everybody needs one reliable car in their life, and we haven't had one reliable car for the longest time. We both want the money from this to put into something that isn't gonna give us a headache, because I have enough headaches as it is, and if Courtney wants to go to work, she shouldn't have to wait for me to come pick her up or drive her there or have to walk in the rain. Like, it's not fair, right? So I know you guys wanted to see me fix this, but you guys also know that I have a lot on my plate and I just can't do this, so I will end up taking whatever I can work out with them, hopefully a decent amount of money, because I already did put some money down on a new car. But yeah, I just wanted to update you guys, we won't fix this. This is not something I have time for. The day after this happened, we went to a dealership and we looked at a used car, and the payments just didn't line up, it didn't fit, it was too much, and we were just like, whatever, it doesn't matter, we don't need it. Put a deposit down on this used car so they would hold it for us in case the numbers worked out, which it didn't. So we went back in the next 2 days later to like get my money back and also just discuss a different vehicle. And we ended up walking out of there with it. Like, we didn't go in there to buy it, we just went in there to talk about it, and it just worked out so perfectly that we stayed around for like 2 hours at the dealership, took the keys, we got out of there. So I guess without any more delays, without further ado, let me show you guys the new daily. So this is it, dude. This is a hell of an upgrade from where we were at before. It is and it isn't. So we went in there, we were looking at a used Crosstrek, because what Courtney really, really wanted before, this is when you say, was a Crosstrek.
I don't know.
Was a Crosstrek. When we bought the first car, she wanted a Crosstrek, but then we convinced each other kind of that we should get like a cool used car. We're matching jackets. Oh my God, this sucks. We walked out of there with a 2020 Crosstrek in cool khaki gray, even though it's kind of blue. I'm colorblind, I don't know. I feel like the weather is definitely not helping the color on this car, but this is like, it's kind of sick. Because it's one of those colors where when you look at it, you're like, this is super unique. But it doesn't stand out like a yellow or an orange would, you know?
That's the plastic because it's so new.
What, are there still plastics on there?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, they didn't get it all off when they did the PDI, whatever. This is what we got. Courtney's only thing was she wanted CarPlay. So this thing, to get CarPlay, we actually had to get a bunch of features kind of with it. So in the 2021, they have like these new door handles. These are literally BRZ door handles for all you BRZ guys, which is sick. They have the touchless entry or whatever, keyless, you put your hand in there. And then this color is the only color that comes with this gray. It's like this fake carbon stuff that the BRZ had also. And then her car is the only one that'll have two-tone. The rest of them have just like a full black interior, but this blue kind of goes well with the gray. So this is how it looks, which is kind of nice, and then the yellow stitching is kind of different, but I really like it. I think it's cool.
It's orange.
It's orange?
Stitching.
Okay,
Orange.
well, there you go, orange, cool. So this thing we mainly got for here, so it has the CarPlay and Android Auto, because that's what Courtney really wanted. She just wanted, like, the reason we got rid of the Mazda was because you didn't have that.
I didn't have like Bluetooth.
Yeah,
that was like
which sucks. She has Android Auto, she has Apple CarPlay, which is what she wanted. It also comes with like this eyesight thing, so it has adaptive cruise control. It'll like stay the distance behind. It'll do the auto braking and all that stuff. It has lane departure to keep you in your lane. Bunch of beans, cool stuff. Not really necessary, but it came with it. But it is slow, dude. This thing is so slow. Don't buy one of these as like a cool car. You're not going anywhere fast. It is cool. I really like it. And I'm really excited. It's pretty spacious inside. Like it's big enough for what we need. So this thing will be really good. We want to get like the crossbars on the top so we can go snowboarding and all that kind of stuff. And I also want to see about maybe getting a camper up there, because I've always wanted to do like camping trips. Yeah. On the roof of a car, because that just seems super cool to me. So if we could get one of those, that'd be cool, right? Yeah. Really cold out here. But yeah, so that's it. That's the new daily, and we're gonna keep it as a daily. Anyways, to set you guys expectations for this thing, it will be just like the Mazda. Remember how the Mazda was like slightly modified, but nothing crazy? We didn't do anything like, we lowered it and put wheels on it, that was it. And I feel like I owed it to you guys to tell you what happened, especially after so much videos and stuff were made with the GF8 and its short little lifetime that we had it for. But the day you guys are seeing this is Christmas Eve. Today's Christmas Eve, right?
Yeah.
So you guys are gonna see this on Christmas Eve. My videos will probably slow down a little bit over the next little while. We didn't move everything in here when we moved in here. You guys know that. We left some stuff in the garage. We still have an LS. We still have Emerson's old motor. We still have a bunch of garbage in my garage that need to get into here. And not only that, but as of yesterday, we signed a thing for a new house, which we have to be in by January 1st. So our next week is just a write-off. Like, we got so much stuff to do, so I apologize if the videos slow down a little bit. So that's the new car. That's what happened with all this. I hope you guys have a great holiday season. I'm not aborting videos, but I don't know when they're all coming out next. I don't know what's going on. So me and Brad want to do a 24-hour challenge video. We asked you guys what we should do. You guys gave us a good idea. I went blurry again. What is going on? Sorry. Thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you guys for support on all this stuff that has happened, and I'll catch you guys next time. Peace out, and stay committed. Came out here to take a thumbnail. First of all, I don't know if the cars are angled very well. I think that one's got to get angled more.
Whatever.
But this is like, it's like a sad thing, but it's also kind of sick. Like, you look at what you came from to what you got into, it sucks, but it's also like a very nice first.